Hello Google Pixel users! Are you looking to save mobile data on your device? In this video, we'll show you how to enable and use the Data Saver feature on your Google Pixel. Let's dive in. First, unlock your Google Pixel and open the Settings app. Then tap on Network and Internet. In the Network and Internet settings, tap on Data Saver. Toggle on the Data Saver switch to enable the feature. When Data Saver is enabled, it helps you save mobile data by restricting background data usage for apps. This means that apps will use less data when you're not actively using them. Keep in mind that enabling Data Saver might affect the performance of some apps, such as delaying notifications. If you want certain apps to have unrestricted data access even when Data Saver is on, you can do so by going back to the Data Saver settings. Tap on Unrestricted Data and toggle on the switch next to the app or service you'd like to allow mobile data usage for. And that's it. Now you know how to enable and use the Data Saver feature on your Google Pixel to save mobile data. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.